winter, my mom, who is 83 now, is very unsure about her computer and email, and it kind of freaks her out. And so I get these random emails from my mom about, it can be anything. It can be anything. And so I get an email that says, I know you like poems. Can you do one about birds? So I sat down and I thought, okay, Mom, I'll send this back to you. So this one is called Birds in White Winter. In winter, before dawn, all birds are dark birds. Feathers waiting for first light to take the night from their quills, revealing colors of sunrise and ice flowers, a dream of heat and seed to take to the spring's green promise.